Time to fire up that grill. From smoked pork to smash burgers, outdoor cooking just tastes better. This is the Okie Smokin Podcast. And here's your host, John Berry.
So that pretty much explains it right there. This is the outdoor cooking channel, and outdoor cooking just does taste better. And I am just an outdoor cooking backyard enthusiast, snow, rain, hot, cold, year-round. Enjoy cooking outside. A matter of fact, I think I prefer it in the fall more than the summer. But what I'm going to be sharing on this podcast is just my experiences of smoking and grilling food. Really, there's just no better way, in my opinion. We're going to be putting together, you'll learn some recipes, some things I've never tried before, some experiments. It is just going to be a really fun time. I have multiple smokers, Blackstone, and we're going to be cooking. I have Dolores here. And what is your favorite thing that I've ever cooked outdoors? What comes to mind?
Of course, steak.
Steak. So do you prefer it smoked, or do you like it cooked fast and hot?
That charcoal grill.
You like it charcoal the best? The pellet grill or the charcoal?
Which one was your new one?
The pellet grill. So you like the pellet grill? Hey, we're going to be cooking from steak and all these things. Talk about it. And
but I do like the smoked apple pie.
the smoked apple pie.
Even though I'm keto, I still took a little tiny taste. That was pretty good.
She does keto. I'm not a keto podcast by no means, but we do some keto things as well because she can eat those, and sometimes, she cheats because she just can't. She just cannot resist it. But you can also find the Okie Smokin channel on YouTube. Look it up. Okie Smokin. We're also starting to post some things on TikTok as well. So you can find some interesting videos and clips of our YouTube channel and some other things right there. But first and foremost, if this sounds like something you might enjoy, be sure and whatever your favorite podcast platform you're using is, be sure and follow, subscribe. We're going to be posting episodes weekly, talking about some of the food we make outdoors. It's going to be so much fun. Until then, I'll see you guys soon.
Bye.